how to increase or boost volume in YouTube in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your Chrome browser and then tap on the three dot over here. Now go to More Tools, or you can simply go to Extensions or also Google Chrome Web Store. Then go to Visit Chrome Web Store. After that, simply search for Sound Booster, and this is the extension that you would be looking for. Simply add this to Chrome, and then after enabling it, your sound will be automatically increased in your video. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.